latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse not just fascinate space enthusiasts but common people too. Well, stargazers in India are in for a treat on June 21st when India will witness the first ever solar eclipse of 2020. Now, it will be an annular eclipse in some parts, while for most of the country, it will be partial. In India, the Surya Grahan or the solar eclipse will start near Garsana in Rajasthan around 10:12 am. The annular phase will begin around 11:49 am and end at 11:50 am. But before that, first we have to understand what an annular solar eclipse is.
There is a difference between total solar eclipse and an annular solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse where the full moon covers the sun entirely and you wouldn't see any part of the sun. But when you come to an annular solar eclipse, the full moon goes to a apogee point, which is the farthest point for the moon from the earth, and it eclipses the sun, and you can see the moon size diameter getting shrink, and because it's far, and you can see the ring of fire, which is the reason the name ring of fire came into the part of annular solar eclipse.
Well, that was the astrophysicist Madhu Kashyap giving us an insight with respect to what annular solar eclipse is. Well, the ring of fire can best be seen just for a minute from Suratgarh and Anugarh in Rajasthan, Sirsa, Rajya and Kurukshetra in Haryana, and Dehradun, Chamba and Kamoli and Joshimat in Uttarakhand. But all of this said and done, probably now we'll have to understand that there is another special feature with respect to solar eclipse this time. This is a special solar eclipse as it will fall with the summer solstice, which is the longest day of 2020. This annual solar eclipse is called the Ring of Fire. So to understand this, the astrophysicist tells us why this speciality is there and how it will be a celestial wonder for people.
Annular solar eclipse happens to be in summer this time, so it's a very special thing because any people who are towards the north of the equator are going to experience the longest day that can be recorded. The sunset and the sunrise and the sunset timelines will be long as it's supposed to be, and astronomically long. So
now, if you are planning to witness this phenomenon and capture it from your terrace, you need to keep in mind a few things. Well, what are the safety measures that you will have to take? Here you go.
It's not safe to observe solar eclipse with naked eye, so you are gonna need a special goggles and also the telescope. You shouldn't watch the sun directly with the telescope. It's gonna cook up your eyeballs. So you have to make sure you have special gear of protection towards this telescope and observe this event in a different manner, in an indirect manner to enjoy the celestial beauty. But due to COVID-19, I think you have to maintain the social distance and find a safe way to get these things done.
Well, those were a few of the safety measures that you will have to follow because we are amidst the pandemic and there are possibilities that you might contract the virus. So do ensure that you and your close ones are maintaining social distancing and also wear face masks to ensure that you do not contract the virus. But you do not have to worry because we will be bringing to you a few of the tips as to how you can capture these images on your phone or your DSLR cameras as well. Well, the first tip will be with respect to how to capture it on a DSLR. Well, if you're using a DSLR, you need to shoot through a telephoto lens to get a well-defined shot and also to capture the perfect image of the solar eclipse. So yes, it is very important to use a telephoto lens which will ensure that the composition of your image will be crystal clear. Well, you might be wondering as to when we are using a telephoto lens, how can we hold it and how we can ensure that we do not get blurry pictures. Well, for that, do ensure that you have a tripod to support your camera because most of the telephoto lenses are quite big and there are possibilities that it'll be hard for you to hold in your hand. So that is why do ensure that you have a tripod as well. Also, do ensure that you keep a telescope handy with you to track the sun during the eclipse and capture the shot, just to ensure that you know the movement of the sun as well, and at the right moment you will be able to identify and then capture. Now coming to what should be the settings which you will have to keep. From what we have studied, analyzed, the camera sensitivity should be set at ISO 400 to keep the exposure short and set its resolution to the highest level. Now ISO 400 will ensure that the aperture will be open just enough to capture the light that will be emitted from during the solar eclipse, and you will be getting the best picture during the annular solar eclipse. Now while shooting the partial eclipse, when the eclipse starts, you should mount a solar filter in front of your telephoto lens and the telescope's finder scope to protect it. Well, we have heard there are scientific studies as well as to how it can affect the lenses as well, like it can affect a human lens or your eyes. The same way even your camera lenses can be affected because of the rays which are emitted. So for that, do ensure that you have the filter to protect your gear as well. Well, lastly, you can buy certified eclipse glasses or use binoculars to safeguard your eyes from harmful rays while taking these shots, because there are possibilities it can hurt your eye. So do ensure that your safety is a priority while you're capturing this beauty. Now, all said and done, this year the coronavirus pandemic is said to affect the event, because now the Kurukshetra, which is in Haryana, the authorities have gone ahead. They have taken a decision that the prohibitory orders will be imposed from Friday onwards. So the provision bans the assembly of more than 4 people. So people are not allowed to assemble. And not just that, they have also said that people cannot take a dip at the Kurukshetra's Brahma Sarovar and Sanhit Sarovar as well during the solar eclipse. It is believed that if you are taking a dip during the solar eclipse, it will help you get away from all the bad deeds that you have done. So all of that is banned, and section 188 of the IPC will be booked under if at all you do not follow these norms. Lastly, what we would like to tell you is that while you enjoy the celestial beauty, do ensure that you remember that you follow social distancing, you wear mask, and keep in mind that the COVID-19 pandemic is here to stay, and also all the safety measures as mentioned by the astrophysicist are kept in mind. Be safe and capture away the natural phenomenon. If you have liked this video, do hit the like button, share your comments in the comment section below. Follow News9 Digital on all the social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.